What's up guys, you're watching India Today Tech. I'm Rahul Sethi. Hope you're doing good, and if you're looking for a gaming smartphone, this is the video to watch. In this video, I'm going to tell you about 5 smartphones that you can buy under 20,000 rupees that would run PUBG without any lags and without any problems. So let's begin. So the first phone is the Poco F1, and that's a no-brainer. It comes at 19,999 and gives you the best possible chipset in the price segment, the Snapdragon 845. The Snapdragon 845 has a powerful GPU that would run PUBG without any lags and freezes. I mean, it's very smooth, it's very lag-free, and you would see that the rendering is amazing on that device. On the Poco F1, PUBG runs in highest graphics settings, and this is the best phone according to us in the under 20,000 segment. Now the next phone is Honor Play, and there are 2 good things about it. First is that it is selling at a discounted price of 15,999 on Amazon. So you can buy it right now at 16,000 rupees, which is about 4,000 rupees less compared to the Poco F1. And secondly, there is a 4D vibration feature on this one that is very similar to a gaming console remote control. It has a very good haptic feedback and vibrates to whatever action is happening on the screen. I mean, if there is a bomb explosion, the phone would vibrate differently compared to the times when you are firing using your gun. Now the graphics are not as good as Poco F1. Kirin 970 is slightly weaker in terms of graphic processing, so that is probably where you will lose out on. But overall, it is still a good proposition at its price. Now at 15,000 rupees, you have 2 smartphones to choose from, the Xiaomi Mi A2 and the recently announced Asus ZenFone Max Pro M2. The good thing about both of these smartphones is that they run stock Android interface, and compared to both Poco F1 and the Honor Play, you get a very clean and stock interface to use as well. Talking about the gaming part, they run the Snapdragon 660, which is quite a powerful chipset, and paired to 4GB of RAM and a 64GB of internal storage, you get good gameplay. Of course, they're not as powerful as the 845, which is the smoothest ever, but we were surprised that in medium graphics settings, they could run the game without any lags and freezes. And since it's a more power efficient chip, you get a longer battery life as well. Both of these chipsets also don't have any heating issue, although the Mi A2, as we found, was slightly more warmer in comparison to the ZenFone Max Pro M2, and that could most probably be due to its full metal unibody design that is more efficient at heat dissipation. But overall, they are very good smartphones to buy for gaming in this price segment. Now the last phone on our list that also gives you great cameras to go with is the Realme 2 Pro. The Realme 2 Pro is an amazing smartphone in terms of display brightness and camera quality, and you also get a Snapdragon 660 on the device, and during our review period we found it's quite a capable gaming phone as well. I mean, especially if you're playing games outdoors, you'll see it has amazing brightness levels. The Realme 2 Pro also has the brightest display compared to all the smartphones on our list, so if you are more into playing games outdoors rather than indoors, the Realme 2 Pro should be your first choice. The battery backup on the device is also pretty nice, but it's not as good as what you get on the ZenFone Max Pro M2 that has a 5000 mAh battery. So these were the top 5 Android smartphones to buy if gaming is your priority. If you have any phone to add to the list, please let us know in the comment section below. And if you've liked this video, hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel to get latest videos on technology, smartphones and other gadgets like this. Thank you for watching.